All right, let's go over how do we link down a page. And this is a review. You should know how to do this already, but just in case, on the rain page, when we get here, what the goal is going to be is to take poem 1, poem 2, and poem 3 and be able to jump down the page to the appropriate section. So you can see we've got all these different things. When we click to 1, it should go to this first poem. And if we get back, it'll go to the top. When we click the second one, it will go to the rain poem. And then when we click the third one, it will go to the Rain in Summer poem, which is the third one on the page. And then because there's a decent amount of stuff after here, especially if you added the Skittles picture at the bottom, you should have plenty of space for this to roll. Now I've already completed this activity, but as a reminder of how to do this, the first thing you must do before you add these hyperlinks is you must give them a name. So in my example here, what I have done is I have named them, and I've gone down to the poem. In the H4 for each poem, I've given it a name. So the Spring Storm poem is poem number 1. And, and then the second poem, Rain, I've called Rain, which is poem number 2. And then the third one is Rain in Summer, so I called it RIS. And we just do that simply by adding an ID equals into something that's connected to that. And I just used the heading because that seemed to make sense. And then when linking to those, what you're going to do is you're going to use an ahref just like normal with a title, but you're going to link it down the page. Remember, a hashtag indicates down the page, and then whatever you named that section to the page. And that's basically it. So once you get that done and it works, feel free then to edit it so that your hyperlinks are a little prettier, maybe change whenever you point your mouse to them or something like that, just to make the page a little bit more fancy. Or if you haven't got to the point where you can go back to your other pages, then make sure that you take the time to be able to go back to the home page here. And remember, we're deep into a different folder when we're going back from this page. The rain is in the rainbow folder, which is in the colors folder. You see here. So we've got to back up 2 levels to get back to the index page. All right, good luck.